Hello. Just walk around with Ralph. We're at the beautiful downtown fossil beds in beautiful downtown Idaho. Uh, as you can see, they found all kinds of fossil bones in here, including zebras, beaver, otter, pelicans, and other water birds from 3,400,000 years ago. I got lava flows here. It's a beautiful area. I don't know if you can get the gist of all this. I'll do some other functions, zoom out, and other things so we can take a look at this place. It's just beautiful. Just walk around with Ralph. I want to thank everybody for watching the channel and subscribing. Make sure you hit the notification button so you get notified when we're having new videos come out. Watch the videos to the end. We're trying to make them better. Enjoy yourself. I got Gertrude out there doing my camera work for me today. She's doing a wonderful job. So let me do a couple other functions here and we'll see what we got. Come here, Gertrude. Okie dokie. We're out here with walk around with Ralph doing one more 30-foot zoom out here at the fossil beds in beautiful downtown, almost Hagerman, Idaho. We'll have more later. Come on back here, Gertrude. You're doing a beautiful job, girl. Okie dokie. Once again, we got Gertrude doing a 30-foot zoom out. Just a beautiful place here. It's a fossil pit and a lava flow. Walk around with Ralph. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Come here, Gertrude. You're doing a... Okay, here we go. I got Gertrude doing a 20-foot orbit. We're going to take a look at this place. It's beautiful. It's the Idaho fossil beds. Happened 3,400,000 years ago. And it's just a beautiful place with a beautiful background. It was too pretty to drive by, so I just went ahead and stopped. And me and Gertrude are out here doing our thing. And she's been doing me a good job, even this little bit of wind.